Hi, my name's Simon, and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. I'm heading up the freeway just to experience the C63 in a little bit more open roads, just to experience it a little bit more, shall we say, close to the red line. So I'm heading up the northern freeway out of Sydney. It's a rather beautiful road when it's not too full of traffic. Some beautiful views coming up, and then we'll head on to one of the back roads and we'll just experiment with I want to try the launch control. I want to really kind of gun it a bit and see how it performs kind of a bit more on the limit. A few showers around, so I'm not sure whether that's going to affect us. If it does rain, then obviously the roads are going to be a bit more slippery, but it's quite fair at the moment, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. You can see a bit of smoke in the air. That's some hazard reduction burns that's being done in parts of Sydney right now, just to stop the bushfire. Actually, it's quite noticeable now. See how smoky it is in the distance. This is the first time I've really taken the C63 on a freeway trip, and it's pretty amazingly stable, quiet, very refined, and even in 7th, if you put your foot down, it just takes off. Be a bit careful. So this has the Distronic Plus cruise control system, which is a radar cruise control, very similar to the system I had on the RS5. It's a radar distance measurement to the car in front, except this one, unlike the Audi, this one will go down to stop-start traffic, which is actually really good. So if you're in stop-start traffic, it will actually come to a full stop and then set off again and then full stop if necessary. This is the beautiful view coming down to the water over the Brooklyn Bridge. Funny name. Not the one in New York, obviously. So the Distronic just kicking in, just to limit our speed a little bit, keep the distance. That's the old bridge on the right that you might be able to see. That's the old single carriageway A1 bridge. Oh, we've got some police around. Better slow down.
Police reported ahead.
Thank you, Madame Ways. Biker. Oh dear. Yeah, they're out to get people, especially on this part of the road. So we're just heading up to a little road up the about 40 minutes north of Sydney. Single carriageway, very deserted usually, with luck. Just give us a chance to push the C63 a bit. Yeah, just to explore the upper reaches of the rev counter for the first time, and hopefully won't get pinged by the boys in blue. So I'll catch up with you again when we get there. Second. Whoa! Wowzers! Wowzers! Woo. That's fast. That is fast. Oh my god, that's fast. I mean, this is faster than the Gran Turismo, so shouldn't be too surprised really. acceleration in fourth, even in fourth, is just amazing. So much torque. This road is insane though, it's so good. Look at this. It's great. So good to be able to stretch his legs a bit. Oh, it has been raining. Wow, look, you can see the rain on the road here. Best not to try launch control here then. Oh, it's dry again. Cool. Except we have a 60 limit here. 60 ahead, okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to use the audio on the GoPro because my batteries have all died, but I am going to just try the launch control once. So what we have to do is turn on sport mode, sport handling mode, then depress the brake, then turn the dial to race start, confirm paddle up, race start available, depress accelerator, and then release the brake. Oh my god, that's impressive. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Oh, I've got to do that again now. Oh. Right, so depressed, brake depressed, race start, confirm, paddle up. Now I'm just going to wait for these cars to go. I've got my left foot firmly on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. Woo! Oh, that is a lot of fun. That is a lot of fun. I've never done that before. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was fun. I want to do it again now. That's the trouble when you get a taste for it. It's like... Woo. Okay. This is silly. I'm going to get myself into trouble in a minute. Then it puts itself back into Sport Plus mode. Okay, makes sense. Oh wow, I've just got to stop and show you this. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to turn around and show you this. Okay, I'm going to get out of the car and show you this because it is so amazing. So that's an amazingly picturesque cloud formation called Mammatus, from the same name as mammaries, because it looks like dangling breasts hanging down from the cloud. and it usually forms on thunderclouds, on the base of thunderclouds. So there you go. So that's just about it for this video. I've had to finish on the GoPro because the battery in my Lumix has died, both of them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that Maserati Guy video of me nailing it with the launch control in the C63. Very impressive and a lot of fun as well. I'll be doing a couple more before I go home. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017. Don't forget to go to the website, which is maserati-guy.org, and click the register button to register for the newsletter, which is a new feature. And there's a giveaway which I will link up here. There's a giveaway for a lovely picture, and if you're registered on the website, you can be in the draw to win that picture. So recommend you sign up, and you'll get a weekly, or maybe weekly newsletter with some interesting links to articles on the web and some Maserati Guy videos. Plus you can be in the draw to win this fantastic picture. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.